How to fix Google reviews not showing up publicly. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Google reviews not showing up publicly. So before we begin, if you're new, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Google Map. So locate your Google Maps and then open it up. After you open it up, you will then need to head over to the contribute section that is at the bottom right of your Google Map. After you tap on the contribute option, you will need to tap on view profile. So tap on view profile right besides your username on the top. Then after you're here, if you don't see your review, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then head over to profile settings. And after you do that, on the personal content here, scroll down all the way till you see profile privacy. Make sure that the restricted profile is turned off. What the restricted profile does is that it hides reviews, photos, ratings, and other contents on your profile. So simply disable that. And if you see another option here that says show your posts on profile, just enable that. So if there is an option that says show your posts on your profile, enable that, and if you have a restricted profile option, turn that off. And doing that will fix your problem, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.